Hello, this is Dr. Bartosh of Proactive Wellness and Injury Center, and this video is made specifically for those of you that are concerned about consuming too many GMOs or possibly eliminating as many as you possibly can out of your diet altogether. Now, there are these little stickers that you'll see on the codes, on the foods rather. They're called the PLU, the price lookup codes, and they're usually identified like a little scanning bar that you'll see on the sticker, that little barcode. Well, on the barcode, you're going to have a group of numbers, whether it's the lemons, whether it's fruits or vegetables or whatever it might be. But when you look at the barcode, if there's a 5-digit number that starts with the number 9, that is preceded by number 9, so you have a 5-digit number preceded by the number 9, so to make it 6 altogether, that means that the food that you're purchasing has been organically grown. So, all right. Now, if you see a 4-digit code that begins with a 3 or a 4, it means that it has been conventionally grown. And that's a pretty ambiguous term, actually. It could be grown on a farm somewhere, or it could be grown in a greenhouse. And it doesn't mean that you're not going to get some nutrients that are in the food, certainly, like with the bell peppers, you may get the beta cryptothaxin, but in addition to getting the good stuff out of the green pepper, you're also going to be getting a plethora of chemicals that are known carcinogens that are covering that pepper. It could be emulsifiers, it could be preservatives, it could be chemical retardants, it could be colors, herbicides, pesticides, a whole myriad of things. So you've got to be wary when you're purchasing the foods that have the 3 and the 4 code. Now, if you have a 5-digit code on the item and it's preceded by the number 8, that means that that particular food is a GMO. It's genetically modified. And the most popular ones, and I don't want to forget any here, the most popular ones that you'll find right now are corn, soybeans, canola, cotton, papaya, squash. Those are types of foods. And then also you've got to understand that if the food product that you're buying, the food item that you're buying, is made of a compilation of corn and soybeans or other foods that are genetically modified. A good example is a chicken wrap. Believe it or not, many of the chicken wraps that we have looked at have had those codes preceding them. They were made of various genetically modified foods put together and sold then as a chicken wrap. So you've got to be very, very careful. And also understand this. Unfortunately, there are companies, manufacturers now, that are equating genetically modified foods with the term conventionally grown, because there is a loss of definition, of strict definition now of genetically modified. So some of these people, some of these companies are skirting the issue and are submitting their foods as conventionally grown now. So for whatever benefit this is, I wanted to pass this along to you. So again, just to rehash, 4 codes, 4 numbers actually, 3 and 4, that means that they're conventionally grown. 8 means that it is a genetically modified organism, and 9 means that it has met the standards where the government considers it to be organically grown. Those numbers will proceed on the barcode that you see on the food, whether it's a fruit, a vegetable, or whatever else it is. You'll see the barcode with a list of either 5 or 4 numbers, and those numbers will be preceded by one that's standing out by itself, 3, 4, 9, or 8. I hope this has been beneficial to you, and if it has, please let us know. And if you have any other additional questions, why, please don't forget to let us know about that as well. Thanks so much for watching the video. Until the next one, and as always, God bless.